Tesla is aiming to improve service for repair of the Tesla vehicles. According to Elon Musk, Tesla is working to improve its repair service in North America and make most of the appointments same-day repairs. So what does this mean is that when a Tesla owner calls Tesla for some repair issue, it will get repaired, it will get done within that same day, that is. So this will be a big improvement. So over the years, it's known that especially the last few years, Tesla has been growing at a rapid pace. So according to data, car deliveries, the Tesla vehicles grew 68% from 184,000 vehicles in Q1 of 2021 to 310,000 vehicles in Q1 of 2022 quarter. So that's a big growth. But the infrastructure growth of Tesla is struggling to keep up with the fast delivery rate. So Tesla grew the supercharger network 37% during the same period. Its store and service locations grew 20%, and its mobile service fleet grew 35%. Those are all impressive growth rates. So in general, when asked about repair questions, the CEO of Tesla, Elon Musk, always says no service is the best service. But Elon admitted in 2019 that a foolish oversight of Tesla's service coverage and made several statements about expanding service. So after that, Tesla opened a record number of service stations the next year. And again now, it seems like Tesla may cut back some of its workforce, but it's not yet clear. According to latest reports also, maybe Elon Musk is having a change of heart, that maybe layoff may be delayed or postponed. So that's the news for today. If Tesla is improving its repair service, I think more customers, especially the reluctant ones who keep their gas cars, may be persuaded to go Tesla. So that's it for now. I'll see you next time with another Tesla update.